from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Yes, I'm in a different spot. This is where I do my crocheting. All right, so why am I here today? Well, because I live here. No, today is November 13th, 2020, and it's somebody's birthday today. Happy birthday, Sarah! Sarah Braybrook, sorry. Sarah Braybrook, who is one of our Yarny sisters. She lives in our city, my city, or maybe I live in her city. Anyway, her and I got to meet last weekend. She said she had some birthday gifts for me, so yeah, so that video of myself opening the gifts from her is on my channel. Yeah, why am I talking about birthday gifts for me? Well, because it's her birthday today. My birthday's on Sunday, on the 15th, and I have a giveaway running will be running from the 15th to the 26th. My mom's birthday would have been the 26th. So Sarah, happy birthday! She was kind of excited that her birthday was on Friday the 13th this year. That's cool. So, yeah, we got to meet last weekend, before everything in our province was completely shut down again, which happened yesterday. I'm so glad I got my hair done last week because salons are shut down, everything's shut down. Restaurants are open for takeout and drive-through, so yeah, and delivery, so that's good. So anyway, how are you all doing? Crazy world we live in, isn't it? Oh, back to Sarah. Happy birthday, Sarah. Sorry. Happy birthday. I hope you're having a fantastic day. And it was so nice meeting you last weekend. And I want to get together with you again when all this crap is over with. All right? Okay, so what do I want to show you today? I want to show you my pile of stuff. It's not that big of a pile. Huh. Like usual. But this is the hat that I did a tutorial on yesterday, and no, I don't have my ends sewn in. I know. And I had done one previously using the Furls hook, the Sisterhood of the Traveling Hook. That's on my channel too. So what else? Oh, I have lots of junk. Anyway, oh yeah, this. I showed it to you when it was a whip. It's actually, I thought the pattern was a scarf, but it's not. It's actually called a shawl, which I'll link below if I can grab that link again. But it is just made out of the simple V-stitch, and I love it. I absolutely love it. The yarn I used was this one I just got recently, Shawl in a Cake by Lion Brand. And I used the recommended hook, which is a 6mm. That's this one. This is a 4 medium. Mindful Mauve is the color. And this is a 150 gram ball. There's 481 yards. And I used all of it except this much. That's all I had left. That's it. So again, that was Lion Brand Shawl in a Cake in the Mindful Mauve color. And 6mm hook. And it's very long. Oh, but I really like it. I like how it worked up. I like how the colors worked up. And I started at the outside of the roll, which started with this color, the gray, and that goes into white, back into the light gray. Then the gray gets darker, and gray gets darker, and then it goes into this purple, and then right here is where The purple is just saturated. I mean, it's gorgeous. I don't know if it's showing up good in the camera. Oh, let's go to this part. It shows more saturated in person than in that camera. But yeah, and then it goes back into the dark gray, light gray, and then the white, and then back in the gray. And then it ends in purple. This was the center of the ball, was this little bit of purple. And I thought that's really nice, ending with the purple. Huggles, don't play with the yarn. Don't play with my yarn strings. But yeah, it's very long, and I just love it. And it's so warm. It is very warm. Okay, I know I should have sewn that in so you don't play with it. Okay, and I want you chewing that. All right, so that is it. I love it. Let me put this back on and show you again. The purple is like kind of to the center of how this ball turned out. So if you put it like this, don't look at my hairy armpits. If you put it like this, oh my goodness. You know, you get the purple right there. Oh, my face is just not showing. There we are. And then, I mean, I'm strangling myself. I pulled it too tight. I didn't do it right. But anyway, there it is. Whew. Sorry, it's just too tight. Just because I didn't put it on properly. But anyway, that's it. Just ignore the strings. Oh, that's a long one. Oh, whatever. But yeah, I love it. I love it. And I know it's super warm even inside the house here because I'm just sweating. But yeah, I really, really love it. I mean, it's so simple. It's just a V-stitch. And you just, I don't know how many she chains. I don't want to tell you because it's somebody else's pattern. But I mean, see how easy it is to make some patterns? Very easy. All right. Oh, okay, I'm just going to take this off because I'm hot. Okay. So I think that's it. I don't want to do too much talking. I need to make couple more videos today. Just a reminder, Sunday is my birthday, so did I already say this? I think I said it. I'll have a giveaway. Huggles, let go with that. Let go with that. I'll have a giveaway going from the 15th to the 26th, so make sure you watch those videos. There'll be a video up every day. There will be 3 winners. I'll show something every day that's going to be in the giveaway. And yeah, watch those videos all the way through because I might have a question or something for you to answer to qualify. Or if you don't want to enter, I would love if you still watched and commented, and if I have a particular word I want you to use in the sentence. If you don't want to be entered, don't use the word in the sentence, you know, but still be there because I love you all. I love your comments, and I just love reading them, and you guys uplift me, and I know I'm going to start talking a lot right now, so I'm going to quit. I just love you all. You guys inspire me, and you uplift me, and you encourage me, and I try to do the same for you guys, and God bless you all. All right. What else do I have to say? I think that's it right now. I think that's it. All right. So, oh, no. There's something else. Charlene. Hi, Charlene from Charlene's Crochet Corner. She's a sweetheart. I'll link her below. She is, okay, the only thing she has to record on, like me, I just have my phone, and that's what she uses, so I know what it's like. And she wants to reach 1,000 subscribers by the beginning of December. Now, why she wants to reach 1,000 subscribers is to be able to do lives. You can't do lives on your phone unless you have 1,000 subscribers or more. And that's YouTube. Don't bite my toe, you silly girl. That's YouTube's thing. It's their rules. So, but the reason she wants to do lives is she wants to interact, whatever. She wants to interact with all of her YouTube family on here, her yarny people. She wants to do it through lives, which is really cool. So that's why she's trying to get to 1,000. So please, can you help her out? Can you go over there and check her out? She's a fellow yarny sister. She crochets. You have to see the stuff that she makes. She's a really, really beautiful crafter, crocheter. She makes beautiful, beautiful items. Yeah, so please go over there and consider subscribing and watching her videos, liking, commenting. You know, the whole thing. Turn on the bell. I would really appreciate that, and I know she would too. All right, so that's it. Okay, happy birthday, Sarah. Hope to meet you again sometime when all this craziness is over in the world. And it would be great to have, like, sit down and have a coffee with you. That would be awesome. All right, so we'll see you all. All right, bye-bye.